Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this glam mirror using skewers. That's right, skewers. First you need to cut out a couple of circles using some thick cardboard, the same size as your acrylic mirror. Mine's about, I'm sure it's about 5 centimetres, but I'll link everything in the description for you. And now you want to stick the mirror onto one of the pieces of cardboard. Now these are just basic skewers that I bought off the internet. And what we're going to do with these is spray paint them my favourite spray paint colour, which is chrome. I'll link that in the description as well for you. Now we have all our skewers spray painted, it's now time to start sticking. You want to start sticking the skewers on the very outer end, all the way around. What I did was I started with the top, the bottom and 2 sides and then filled the rest in. We're now on to the second layer of the skewers, and what we want to do is make them shorter. So basically we're going to stick them practically in the middle, so the end of it is in the middle of the cardboard, and then just follow that around in between the longer ones. And using the second cardboard circle, we're going to stick that on the top of the skewers there. For the ends of the longer skewers, I'm using these 4mm acrylic rhinestones. I'll link in the description. And for the ends of the shorter skewers, I'm using the 10mm acrylic rhinestones. I'll link those in the description as well for you. For the middle of the skewers, I'm going to use a combination of AB resin rhinestones, which are 16mm, and acrylic rhinestones, which are 20mm. Again, I will link those in the description for you. And to finish, I'm going to be solely using AB resin rhinestones all around the mirror. And all that's left to do now is just remove the film from the mirror. I've added a little bit of wool at the back just so that we can hang it up. And here's the mirror. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.